this is Mo on from SPS Spindle, and today I'd like to showcase a couple of fantastic Capellini spindles. And we had a customer of ours, CNC North, that builds brand new grinding machines. So they had a customer that came to them that makes large bearings, and they needed a large capacity, heavy duty machine to do this process. So we supplied them with two Capellini spindles. Capellini spindle is made in Italy, and SPS Spindle is the North American partner. We rebuild these spindles and sell all the new ones here in North America for Capellini. This spindle is the OD grinding wheel spindle. It is a 6,000 RPM spindle, and it is a 40 kilowatt spindle. This large OD taper will take this large grinding wheel adapter that we supplied for the spindle. The ID grinding spindle is in front of me here, and that is a 90,000 RPM spindle that is also 36 kilowatts. These spindles will be mounted on independent slides parallel to each other, and the customer will be able to grind ODs of parts and ID parts, sometimes the same part, sometimes different parts, but it'll be a very large, high capacity machine that will suit their needs for years to come. Whether you need a large spindle or small spindle, SPS, partnered with Capellini, can accommodate your needs. Just give us a call or check out our website at spsspindle.com.